How do you feel about the American system of justice as a whole? Some people seem to think it is the best system, others think it is the best but could be better, and others think it's not the best at all.
Well, I think it certainly could be better. One of the major problems that I've seen in traveling around this country and engaging in the practice of law is that the legal system is infected with some of the problems of the social system, some of the problems of racism, some of the problems of economic disparity, exploitation, so that there is built into the law a structural inequality that works to the disadvantage of the poor and the non-white. Now, certainly, poor and non-white people in this country can win cases, civil cases in courts, because they do every day. Certainly, they can be acquitted of criminal charges because they are every day. But in a general way, an overall institutional proposition, we must say, when we look at the way in which blacks are systematically excluded from juries, we look at the way in which the evidence of non-white witnesses is treated as opposed to the evidence of white witnesses, when we look at the way in which the bail system functions, when we look at the disparity in the sentencing of poor and non-white people as opposed to persons from the dominant group, then we really have to admit that our law is structurally biased. It's biased both in the procedural rules and in the substantive doctrines. It's biased in that landlord-tenant law tends to be landlord biased. Consumer law tends to be creditor biased. And if you are poor, if you are non-white, the law does not treat you with equal justice that it treats as it treats persons in other sectors. And so definitely I would have problems with saying that there isn't anything wrong with our justice system.